David, what do you think of your hair transplant?
I'm very happy with it. I think it's exceeded my expectations.
This is David. He's 29 years old and came to see us 11 months ago for a FUE hair transplant. I'm going to show some pre-op pictures. As you can see here, I hear the Norwood FUE pattern. And now he comes to us 11 months later, and you can see quite a remarkable amount of hair growth, very high density. It's a natural hairline. So it's a high density natural hairline. And you can see there's an imperceptible merging. This is transplanted hair. It is ever so slightly more coarse than the original hair. So this is the original hair. This is a transplanted hair. And it's so high that you can't even run your comb through the hair, which is very good for David. If you turn around, please. Face the wall, please. And because it's FUE, the hair growth again is uniform, high density, and obviously there's no linear scar, which is why FUE has become so popular. Can you turn around, please? So David, what do you think of your hair transplant?
I'm very happy with it. I think it's exceeded my expectations.
And when did the hair begin to grow?
I saw first signs of growth maybe at the end of month 2 / mid-month 3 post-op.
And I must say, this is generally, that would be a fast response. We may not get a response sometimes till 4 months, 6 months, and occasionally even 8 months. So that's very good, and perhaps that was prelude to your great growth because you started so early.
Mm-hmm.
Have others noticed differences? You're telling me a little bit about your father.
Yes, my family is very excited. Obviously, they saw the decline of my hair at the beginning, and now it's very exciting to see it return. And I think prior to that, I was wearing a hat a lot, so I don't wear a hat anymore. And naturally, people have noticed that.
And how about at work, socially? How has that affected you?
It definitely has done wonders for my confidence and just overall self-image. It's been a great investment.
And where did you have your hair transplant done?
I was here at Sure Hair International.
Yeah. And what did you think of the doctor and the nurses?
I think Dr. Gupta is fantastic. He's probably the best you can go to, and I think the entire team here is great and very supportive.
And for somebody who's thinking of a hair transplant, what advice would you have for them?
I think yesterday is the best time. You should get ahead of it while you can. The sooner that you do it, I think the better results you will probably net. And yeah, you should book that consult right away.
And I guess in some ways you're glad you didn't go to Turkey, eh?
I'm very glad I didn't go to Turkey. Yes.